Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay guys, let's try to create the trading plan for the beginning of the next week. Well, in general, longer term charts and longer term analysis suggests that market in short term period could be bullish and show some deeper pullback to the upside. If you would like to know why, so you could read this in our weekly thread on the monthly analysis of the monthly time frame and weekly time frame. Well, on the daily it means that market could reach as far as an area of the 50% resistance from the whole swing down. It's around 130 to 50 area. And as you can see, our suggestion about the potential pullback, although initially we didn't know that it could be really significant, but previously we just have made an assumption that probably this pullback could be at minimum the one single harmonic swing to the upside, right to the monthly pivot point, because that was the end point of the harmonic swing down, if you recall that. Well, now we see that market has exceeded it, this distance, and since usually market tries to apply some multiplicator for harmonic swings when it shows some extension of the just single harmonic swing. Well, the next target stands around major thread resistance 131.17 area. That is also the weekly pivot resistance 1 and the doubles of the harmonic swing to the upside. You can see that market has made an attempt to continue move higher, but it has reached the significant resistance, that is daily overbought and monthly pivot resistance 1. So that was the really serious barrier ahead of the market that has prevented the potential high move on the previous week. But on the coming week, the market will probably have the room to continue it. Thus, the next nearest area, as we said, is the potential target to watch for is 131.10, 131.15 area, and the medium-term ultimate target, I suppose, is 132.50. That is an area to watch for as the potential pullback on the daily time frame that could be reached by the market. But here we know that that is also significant support area. This is the monthly pivot support 1, major 50% support on the monthly time frame, and that is also the yearly pivot point. So that is really nice support cluster. Market has bounced from it to the upside. But now we see that price stands at the resistance, and we know that we would like to join this upward action, but since we stand at the overbought and at monthly pivot resistance 1, we should count on some bounce, and I prefer to see the bounce to the weekly pivot point. It's around 129.25 area on the coming week. That will be the first area to watch for as the potential entry opportunity. On the 4-hour time frame, finally we have got what we have discussed previously. If you remember, we have said that until market will break this tendency to the downside, we would not even think about the upward entry on the long side of the market, and that has happened. So that gives us additional confidence that probably market will continue to move to the upside. You can see that the market has broken out from this parallel channel, but the last thing still stands. I prefer to see as the additional confirmation that market will show the greater swing up than the previous swing down. From that perspective, I would like to see the taking out of these highs and upward continuation. If this will happen, this swing will be greater, and that could also suggest the short-term reversal on the daily time frame on the intraday charts. So that could be the short-term reversal. That could be some deeper upward continuation. That is the moment to keep an eye on the beginning of the week. For instance, if we will enter somewhere alongside of the market later will continue moving, taken out of this high, we could say finally yes, we got additional confirmation. That's great. That it means that we are on the right way to the upside. Now on the hourly time frame we see the levels that we have specified. You can see that weekly pivot point is also the major trade support on the intraday chart. Although you may ask that probably we could get even closer fib levels if we will take the most recent swing from that low to this high, we could get another 3.8 and 5.8 support, but I do not want to use it because we are daily overbought. We should remember that, and the condition of the daily overbought suggests that some deeper retracement could follow. I can't exclude that it could be even a bit deeper than this level. I do not know how it will develop, because here you can see we do not have any patterns right now. No ABCDs, no patterns that point on some destination. That's why I just watch the levels that we already have and trying to choose the level that is most suitable for us. Why I prefer to see retracement only till that level, only till 129.25, because if you will take a look at the 4-hour time frame again, that level will be the retest of the broken line, and I prefer to see the market will stop here by retesting some sort of the kiss goodbye and upward action. That will be the perfect development of the bullish behavior on the market. Well, that is what I would like to see on the market in the beginning of the week. If market is really bullish and if it really intends to continue move to the upside, some returning back inside of the channel or too deep retracement to the downside, some acceleration to the downside, some sort of action like here, will put under question the bullish ambitions of the market. So if we will see the fast breakout for the weekly pivot point, for instance, market will accelerate with the solid candles to the downside, do not enter long. Wait for the further clarification, because it could mean the changing of the sentiment on the market if we will see the action that is quite opposite and absolutely not natural in the current environment. Also, another reason why I prefer to see that market hold above this area is that by this moment it will keep this tendency of high highs and high lows. If market will show the deeper swing to the downside, it will show the deeper swing to the downside rather than to the upside. That will also be some not quite welcome moment for the bullish development. That's why this level is so significant, as we have just discussed. So that's all that I would like to say with this research. Let's keep an eye on this level and we'll see how it will turn, how market will behave here. We have discussed the moments that we do not want to see, the moments that we should keep an eye on. Well, I hope that market will give us an opportunity to enter on the long side of the market, and I hope that we will not be wrong with our expectation.